This is your maths teacher, 11th standard business maths. So today the first one is the best way of learning about anything is by doing. The best way of learning about anything, you have to learn anything, is by doing, right? So this is also one of the code. So here we are continuing the permutation. In how many ways can 8 identical beads be strung on a necklace? So we have identical beads, circular permutation. So identical means we cannot find out the clockwise or anti-clockwise. Your formula is n minus 1 factorial by 2. Here you have 8 beads. So it is 8 minus 1 by 2 factorial. That is 7 factorial by 2. So this is your answer. In how many ways can 8 boys, right, form a ring? Ring, you know, is a circle is called a ring, right? In circus also you have circus ring, like that. So here we have 8 boys. We need circular ring, right? Circular permutation. So your formula is n minus 1 factorial. The number of permutation is 8 minus 1 factorial is nothing but 7 factorial. So you can identify the difference. Boys, you have the difference, right? One boy is first and the second boy is, we can make it into the first, like that. So we can identify the difference, but here we cannot find the difference. So it is n minus 1 factorial by 2. Now the one more question is very simple. This repeated question also. How many distinct words can be formed using all the letters of the following words: mathematics and Mississippi? So mathematics, the total letters is 11. So numerator is 11 factorial. And I have 2m. So m is 2 times. So 1 2 factorial. After that a 2 times. So 2 factorial. After that t 2 times. So 2 factorial. So it is called your number of permutation. It's very, very simple. Total number of letters by repeating letters factorial, you have to divide. Like that, Mississippi, the number of permutation is total number of letters is 11. In that s is 4 times, so 4 factorial. I is 4 times, 4 factorial, and p is 2 times, 2 factorial. So that is your answer. You can complete like this. You no need to minimize the fraction, right? Our fifth one is a question, you have to do it yourself. Find the number of arrangements that can be made out of the letters of the word assassination, right? So you can do it yourself in the same way. Now one more question is an interesting one. How many 6-digit telephone numbers that can be constructed with the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 35 and no digit appear more than once? No digit appear more than once. So what is the meaning of more than once? No repetition is allowed. No repetition means it's like yes, that is called repetition, right? So no repetition is allowed. It's a 5-mark question. So here is a very simple trick you have. So we need 6-digit number, right? So your question is 6-digit number we have to flip. So you have to draw 6 boxes. In that is starting with 35. So we cannot change anything with these 2 places. So here we can replace any number. So totally how many numbers you have? 0 to 9 is 10 numbers. These 2 we are neglecting. That means we are cancelling 3 and 5. So remaining you have 8 numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 3 is 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So like that you have 8 numbers for this box. So that is 8. So once you placed one number here, the next place you have only 7 chances. Like that, the next place you have only 6 chances. Here you have 5 chances. Okay. So how to find the number of permutation is nothing but the product of the numbers. 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. The product is 1680. And the similar type of question you have. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67 with no digit appears more than once? So that you can do it yourself. And this is one of the competitive question. In how many ways 5 boys and 3 girls can be seated in a row so that 2 girls are together, right? We don't want 2 girls sit together, right? So the by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4 and by 5 and by 5, right? So the number of places for girls is these places. So totally you have 6 chances to sit for girls. So 5 boys can be seated in a row. How to find the chances? It is 5 factorial. 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 120, right? So you have 120 chances to place these boys. First B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Next one B2, B3, B4, B5, B1. Next B3, B2, P3, P4, P5, P1, P2. Not in the order. You can change in any order. So that type of choices you have totally 120. Okay. So we can arrange 3 girls in 6 places, right? So this can be done in 6p3 bases. You have 6p3 bases. Therefore the total number of seating arrangements is 5 factorial into 6p3. Your 6p3 is nothing but 6 into 5 into 4. So how we can write only the 3 numbers. If it is 3, you write 3 numbers from 6. If it is 2, it is 6 into 5. If it is 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, like that, right? So your 5 factorial is 120 and 6p3 is again 120. So the final answer is 14,400. The product of the numbers is 14,400. So it is one of the 3 mark question. At the same time, your TNPSC or whatever the competitive bank exams, you have the question. Now the last one, if NP4 equal to 12 times NP2, find the value of n. So here you should know the formula for NPR. Your NPR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. So I am applying the formula. We can cancel the n factorial and n factorial. After that, the just cross multiplication, it will be n minus 2 factorial equal to 12 times n minus 4 factorial. So we can reduce n minus 2 factorial. So this 2, when you are comparing n minus 2 and n minus 4. So you can ask me how you can cancel the factorial. So factorial or whatever the number, you can cancel both sides. So here n minus 2 is greater number. Only thing you should know, the n minus 4 or n minus 2 is greater. N minus 2 is greater number. So greater number can be reduced to small number, right? So n minus 2 minus 1 becomes n minus 3 factorial. So why you are subtracting? The factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is reducing. So like that, it is n minus 3 factorial equal to 12 times n minus 4 factorial. So again, n minus 3 factorial can be written as n minus 4 factorial. So n minus 4 factorial, n minus 4 factorial is cancelled. Your answer is n minus 2 into n minus 3 equal to 12. That is 4 into 3 equal to 12. So it can be n minus 2 equal to 6, right? N minus 2 equal to 4, your n will be 6, or n minus 3 equal to 3, again you will get n equal to 6. So thank you students. For continuation, you follow the channel, right? Thank you.